Hi guys, I'm Anna from Toni&Guy New Zealand and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a day to an evening look. First of all, separate the top section away in a clip or hairband if you don't have one. Brush the underneath piece into a ponytail on your occipital bone. And using your hairband, tie your pony up nice and secure. Using the label.m dry shampoo and spray your top section to add a texture and then back comb after to add it height. So now leave out some pieces around your face for some softness. Then loosely brush back into your pony so it creates slight distressed feel. Take a long piece from the underside of your ponytail and wrap it around the hairband. Use a bobby pin to secure. Gently back brush the ponytail to break up a bit of the curl so it looks super cute and bouncy. Grab your hairspray and spray the front from underneath so it holds away from your face. Spray the pony and use your finger to smooth the hairband area so you can see the lovely difference of smooth against the soft texture. And that's it! You're ready to go! Have a little play and have fun! Hope you enjoyed it!